Sesame Street Elmo. Elmo loves you. Everyone loves something. Babies love noise. Birds love singing. Kids love toys. Bert loves penguins, and penguins love to coo. Can you guess who Elmo loves? Elmo loves you. Piggies love to roll in mud. Penguins love the snow. Farmers love to wake up early. Roosters love to crow. Zoe loves the library. Grover loves it too. Elmo whispers quietly,
Elmo loves you.
The Count loves counting things. How does Elmo love you? Let me count the ways. Ernie loves to drum. Monsters love to exercise.
Go for the burn!
Kids love bubble gum. Natasha and her daddy love playing peekaboo. But, psst, before you turn the page, Elmo loves you. Everyone loves something. Elmo told you this was true. And now you know who Elmo loves. Elmo loves you. Before Elmo ends his poem, Elmo wants to ask you this. Will you be Elmo's Valentine? Can Elmo have a kiss?
Thank you. Elmo is a happy monster.
What are some things that you love?
Happy Valentine's Day.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share. And follow me on Instagram and Twitter. And for more Sesame Street Elmo stories, check out my Sesame Street playlist. And if you enjoyed this story, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. It really helps the video and the channel. Thank you so much for your support. It is really appreciated. Stay safe, everyone, and have a wonderful Valentine's Day. Love you all.